The cat sighs deeply, whispering, "This park was once beautiful, but look at it now." In a sunny park, the white cat looks around sadly and notices trash scattered everywhere, plastic bottles, papers, and wrappers. She kneels down and begins picking up the litter with her paws. A group of pigeons watches curiously as she gently places each piece into a recycling bin. Children playing nearby notice her and slowly join in, smiling as they help. Together, they clean the park, turning it back into a beautiful, green, welcoming place. The cat stands tall as sunlight shines on the clean park. Flowers sway gently and the air feels fresh again. She smiles warmly at the children and says, "Cleanliness is part of faith. When we care for the world, we show gratitude to Allah." The children cheer, and the cat looks up at the bright sky with hope in her eyes. A soft breeze carries leaves across the now spotless park, a place of peace and beauty once more.